up, and welcome back to another vlog. I'm sure you guys are like, why is my head like this, fam? Life is happening right now. Honestly, I don't even know how to explain what is going on, but yeah, just know that life is happening. Anyways, I'm still in Manila. Yesterday, I mean the day before, I went for a party. I was supposed to vlog that, you guys, but when I got there, somehow I just reconnected with friends and I didn't vlog anything. There was zero clip. Yeah, I'll just let you guys know what I get up to in this particular vlog. Probably going to cook in this vlog. I'm also going to do some of that stuff for you guys in this vlog. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed yet. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up at the same time and share my videos, leave a comment. And yeah, I'll catch up with you guys soon. Hi guys, good morning. So I'm sorry about how my nails looks. It's a hot mess. Anyways, so today I am preparing, forget that, I'm preparing to go grocery shopping, just buy a few things for the house. And I'm going to bring you guys along. Guys, forget these things. We just try to order a cleaning company to come get it done, so just ignore it, okay? Anyways, that's pretty much it. We're about to go grocery shopping. I need to get ready, and guys, what's up? Today is what's today? Today is Monday, and I am heading to Mall of Asia. I've been there before, but I think I did not vlog. I've been there 2019. I think prior to the time that I became serious with YouTube, I went there with Benedine. She's PNG. Then she was about to leave this country. So yeah, that was when I went there. So I'm going again. I'm trying that place out this time around, and I tried to bring you guys along. So yeah, by the way, if you're still here, please subscribe and like the video and all that good stuff. So yeah, catch you guys when I'm done. No makeup. When I'm there, I mean no makeup, nothing. Fine girl, no pimple.
If you find the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish in one, yeah, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Memory lane isn't that too far away from our hearts, yeah, yeah. The ones we keep close, we should never let go. So tell me who you love, baby. Take a moment to unwind, fix yourself and realign yourself with the world, baby. Breathe slow, baby, yeah. We should breathe slow, we should breathe slow, we should breathe slow. We should breathe slow, we should breathe slow, we should breathe slow. We should breathe slow, we should breathe slow, we should breathe slow. We should breathe slow, breathe slow. There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. I would. We talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your voice. Not sleeping well, and I know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for
Guys, so I just got my brows done. Yo, I look so good. I like it. I like it so much. This is Brow Lounge. I think they also have a branch in Cebu, so check them out, baby. What? It's actually cool.
too long now. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. Even if you're gone, I won't forget you. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. Even if you're gone, I will remember. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. I would. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the